Hey, ladies and gentlemen, inside this box truck, this reefer refrigerated box truck 95 model, we're gonna walk up to it. You can see it does have two different fans. It has a 12-volt fan when you go down the road, keep it blowing in here. It also does have the 110 fan running. The 110 fan is what we have on right here. You can see it moving right there. Let's look at that thermometer. We're going to have this truck running with this on the inside here, probably about an hour or so. It's already down to 40 degrees. You can see right there on your thermometer. You get a better picture of it, you can see. Yep, about 39 degrees. Pretty chilly in here. Like I said, they put a new unit on here, new compressor, new wiring, got some fans inside. The box in pretty good condition. You saw the pictures. You see a little better view of the box in here. But it does crank, it does run, it does drive. Got a 5.9 Cummins engine, automatic transmission. Like I said, the truck seems to function. This would be a good truck for any kind of a cold storage you need to do. If you're doing crawfish, you're doing fish, you're doing any kind of seafood or any kind of beef or anything, you need to have something really cold storage. Here it is. On Optimum Auction, you're gonna find this 1995 refrigerated box truck. The box is working, the truck cranks, runs, and drives. Come to Southwest, which I'm talking about. Thank you.